Okay, next box. Let's start get some old stuff. Get a race bike parts. Alright, what's in this box? It's heavy. Pretty solid. Feels like a flywheel or something, but not quite that heavy. Maybe a flathead cylinder, maybe? Something heavy. Piece of paper here telling me something. You don't get packaged left with eBay. Mixed merchandise. Wonder what this is. It looks like eBay junk. Too much labeling for eBay though. Let's see, what do we got here? Paper. Big box. Oh, this is not anything important. This is catalogs. Oh shit. Here I was hoping to get something exciting, important, not stupid catalogs. Yeah, look at that, junk catalogs. Yep. Why'd they send me so catalogs? I don't know. Geez, I must have thought that was important. Hard drive. Oh well. Got some free catalogs to hand out. Aftermarket junk. Hard drive is WPS. Yeah, they look like they're all the same. There, it almost fits in there. So, see, I sell parts from these people. So, this one here. This one's easier to open up, it's already half opened. I don't know why people think I don't sell parts here, and this is actually a shop, but so anyway, here's your brand new catalog. You buy a bunch of crap in here. See, look at that junk. More junk. Oh, look at these. I gotta have some of those for my bike. Oh, look at those nice mirrors. Oh, ooh, fancy brake rotors. All right. Ooh, a road turd. What brand? Looks like a Harley. M8 probably. Yeah, another road turd. Yeah, there's not. That looks like a Jap bike. Look at that. They make parts for anything these days. Oh well, there you go. Junk. Alright, that was a waste of a video.